Start by confirming safety and then isolate the capacitor from the circuit before any measurement. During alternating current maintenance, remove and fully discharge the capacitor using a resistor rated for the capacitor voltage, and then set your meter to the microfarad range to measure actual capacitance. Connect the meter leads between the common terminal and the Hermetic terminal, then between the common terminal and the fan terminal, reading each value slowly to let the meter stabilize. Compare each measured value to the rated values stamped on the can. For example, a rating that reads 45/5 microfarads should show readings very close to 45 and 5 respectively within the tolerance printed on the part. If your meter shows a significantly lower capacitance or an open reading, the dielectric has degraded and the part needs replacement. Also check for high equivalent series resistance by using a capacitance meter with that feature or by observing heating and voltage drop behavior in circuit, because excessive internal resistance indicates impending failure. Finally, inspect the capacitor for physical signs of distress, such as bulging, leaking electrolyte, or corrosion at terminals before reinstallation. Common mistakes include testing the capacitor while it is still connected to the circuit, which can give false readings due to parallel paths. Always remove and discharge first to get accurate microfarad measurements. Another issue is using a meter not capable of measuring capacitance or using the wrong range, which leads to unreliable results. Use a dedicated capacitance meter or a multimeter with a microfarad function and select an appropriate range. A third frequent problem is ignoring tolerance and temperature effects. Consult the capacitor rating for tolerance, and remember that high temperature can reduce effective capacitance, so replace any unit that measures outside specified tolerance, even if marginally close. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and explore projects by providing listings and a discussion community where real users talk through issues and share experiences. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and host conversations that help both sides troubleshoot component testing and other maintenance topics.